Welcome. If you've been feeling bloated, constipated, or just unsettled in your digestive routine, you're certainly not alone. As we grow older, the digestive system undergoes subtle yet impactful changes. The colon, our body's primary pathway for eliminating waste, can accumulate toxins over time. These lingering substances may affect digestion, weaken the immune system, and even contribute to inflammation or discomfort in other areas of the body. But here's the good news. You can support gentle, effective colon cleansing using natural, kitchen-friendly methods designed to be safe and revitalizing for mature systems. No harsh products, no complex protocols, just simple remedies that many older adults have used to feel lighter, more energized, and better in tune with their body. Research has shown that keeping the colon free of built-up waste not only improves digestion, but also helps the immune system operate at its best. By supporting the intestinal lining, encouraging healthy elimination, and nourishing good bacteria, you promote better nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation. These benefits ripple outward, affecting energy, joint comfort, mood, and overall well-being. Today, I'll share 4 natural colon cleansing recipes you can make at home. Each uses whole food-based ingredients and minimal effort. You can choose the one that fits your needs and lifestyle. These solutions are safe for most people, but if you have chronic conditions, especially related to high blood pressure, kidney function, or heart health, it's best to check with a healthcare provider before beginning any cleansing routine. Recipe 1. Baking soda. Digestive flush. This remedy uses a level teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of chlorine-free water. To prepare, add just a touch of warm water to fully dissolve the bicarbonate first, then top up with more water. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning. After consumption, avoid eating or drinking anything else for 1 hour, staying close to a restroom. Within that hour, your digestive system typically begins to move more freely as the baking soda works to neutralize acidity and gently stimulate bowel activity. When this flush completes, enjoy a small cup of homemade yogurt, rich in probiotics, to support your colon's beneficial flora and aid recovery. Because the effect can be sudden, plan to be conveniently near the bathroom. Many older adults report feeling significantly lighter and more comfortable after just one session. Recipe 2. Senna leaf. Herbal infusion senna is a well-known herb, especially in many long-established traditions, used to support regular bowel function. To prepare, steep a small handful of dried senna leaves in a cup of boiled water for about 20 to 30 minutes, then strain and drink in the evening before bed, with no subsequent food or drink. Overnight, as the body rests, senna's natural compounds gently encourage bowel movement so that you can wake to a smooth, regular morning passage. Senna works by increasing the tone and mobility of the colon muscles, ideal for relieving occasional sluggishness or mild constipation. While powerful, it remains gentle when used as a single-dose support. It's best reserved for those who don't experience daily bowel movement without assistance. Recipe 3. Magnesium sulfate, Epsom salt. Cleanse magnesium sulfate offers a gentle but effective way to support elimination and flush out accumulated waste. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a glass of chlorine-free water at room temperature or slightly warm. Stir well until fully dissolved. Consume on an empty stomach in the morning, then refrain from eating or drinking anything else for 2 hours. The osmotic effect draws water into the intestines, softening stool and encouraging movement. This process often begins within 1 to 2 hours, so it's best to stay close to restroom facilities. This technique is particularly suitable for older adults who may handle mild cleansing more comfortably. It can be repeated every 2 days for most blood types. Although, if you have blood type O, a once every 2 weeks schedule is suggested for gentle, ongoing support. Recipe 4. Saltwater colon stimulant. This option uses unrefined rock salt mixed into water to promote bowel activity. Combine 4 cups of chlorine-free water with a heaping tablespoon of natural salt in a pitcher. Stir until completely dissolved. Within 10 minutes, drink the entire amount. Often within 15 minutes, the body responds with intestinal contractions that lead to elimination. Since the response can last up to 30 minutes, stay close to home or in an area with immediate restroom access. This is a more invigorating cleanse and is best suited for those who tolerate salt intake well. People with high blood pressure should consult a professional before trying this method. In addition to these individual remedies, supporting digestion throughout the day sets a strong foundation. These foods and habits help enhance colon health naturally. Drinking a glass of warm water first thing in the morning helps encourage gentle elimination. Eating fiber-rich foods such as fresh vegetables, legumes, and whole grains promotes regularity and feeds beneficial gut microbes. Including dried fruits such as prunes, figs, apricots, or dates provides natural lubrication and fiber to support healthy bowel movement. Pairing meals with probiotic-rich foods like kefir, yogurt, and fermented dishes introduces friendly bacteria that support colon cleansing and immune resilience. Using antioxidant spices and herbs like black pepper, turmeric, rosemary, cumin, and fennel seeds can gently stimulate digestion and reduce inflammation. Incorporating carob powder or brew derived from carob pods may relieve discomfort and support inflammation reduction in the colon. Eating salads, cooked greens, or raw vegetables ensures steady intake of digestible fiber and life-supportive nutrients. Another especially effective colon and digestive cleansing drink comes from fresh fruit. Blend 2 peeled oranges, 7 strawberries, and 3 peeled peaches into a smooth juice. This mixture helps hydrate the colon, detoxify naturally, and supports respiratory health as well. Some people find that it lifts mood and mental clarity too. Drinking this every morning on an empty stomach for 9 consecutive days, then waiting about an hour before breakfast, can help your colon flush daily in a gentle yet effective way. Beyond individual drinks and wraps, several botanical herbs may support routine colon health. These include Plantago ovata husk, psyllium husk, which gently adds bulk and supports regular elimination. Seed cake powders derived from plants like caraway or fennel, useful for soothing gas and slowing digestion. Marshmallow root, known in Turkish as hatmi çiçeği, which can reduce mucosal irritation and support comfort in the colon lining. Plantago lanceolata carniericotu provides fiber and supports tissue healing in the intestines. While these herbs can complement cleansing routines, they're best eaten in simplified forms, teas or smoothies, well chewed or gently prepared. Remember to stay hydrated with at least 8 glasses of clean water each day to keep everything moving easily. Adopting regular mealtimes, careful chewing, and balanced fiber intake helps support long-term colon health too. Eating slowly, choosing whole foods, and combining soluble and insoluble fiber offers more sustainable digestive comfort. Clean hydration, moderate activity, and restorative rest all add up to colon-friendly habits. If you experience stomach pain, blood in the stool, severe discomfort, or unexpected weight loss, pause these routines and consult your healthcare provider. These recipes are intended for general digestive support, not medical diagnosis or treatment. But for many older adults, simple natural cleansing protocols are a powerful way to feel more energetic, clear-headed, and physically light. Thousands of people have adopted these methods as regular rituals, weekly or monthly, and report lasting change. Less bloating, improved appetite, better sleep, clearer mind, and even steadier responses to medications. One older gentleman shared how after his first baking soda flush, he felt a wave of relief and noticed he slept more soundly that night. Another reported regularly using the fruit juice method and described themselves as feeling lighter, more alert, and emotionally buoyant. These solutions are not about quick fixes. They're about supporting your body's innate ability to cleanse and renew. They honor your natural rhythms, respect your aging physiology, and are designed to be gentle yet effective. Because colon health isn't just about digestion. It's a foundation for freedom in daily life. The freedom to eat without fear, to sleep without interruption, and to feel steady and confident in your body. If you're ready, you can begin tonight. Choose the option that suits your needs. Prepare it clearly and mindfully, and observe how your body responds over the next hour. Stay hydrated, rest comfortably, and allow the process to unfold. Over the next few days, keep track of your digestion, energy levels, sleep quality, and mental clarity. Each small shift builds toward a stronger, more resilient body. As we grow older, it's not just about resolving discomfort. It's about preserving vitality, sustaining independence, and supporting every function that stems from a well-working gut. The colon, after all, is deeply tied to how we absorb nutrients, how we eliminate waste, and how we maintain clarity of thought, emotional stability, and immune resilience. Once you've completed a 5-day natural cleanse using one of the gentle remedies previously outlined, whether that's the baking soda tonic, the chia seed gel, or the lemon and olive oil elixir, it's important to shift into a maintenance routine. This prevents a return of stagnation or toxicity and supports the digestive environment in staying balanced. That's what gives you long-term benefits like smoother digestion, fewer cravings, better response to medication, and less fatigue or mental fog. Maintenance can be as simple as choosing 2 days per week, say Monday and Thursday, on which you repeat your chosen cleansing recipe. Consistency in this routine helps preserve the balance of intestinal activity without exhausting the system. Your digestive tract doesn't need to be purged every day, but regular gentle stimulation helps keep things moving naturally and avoid stagnation. Most people find that twice per week is just enough to feel clear, light, and energized. To enhance this routine, begin your mornings with warm water. A cup of warm, not hot water with a splash of lemon or a pinch of cinnamon stimulates peristalsis, the wave-like motion that moves food through your intestines. Drinking this before anything else, even before coffee, can train your digestive system to begin the day with gentle, productive activity. During the day, aim for foods that provide both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and becomes gel-like. It's excellent for slowing digestion and helping you feel full. Oats, apples, beans, lentils, and flaxseed are good sources. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and sweeps the digestive tract clean. You'll find this in whole grains, leafy greens, and the skins of fruits and vegetables. Try to eat with the seasons. Warmer soups and broths in colder weather help support digestion, while raw salads, fruits, and lighter meals in warmer seasons keep your colon hydrated and active. Soups made from lentils, chickpeas, or split peas are especially helpful, combining hydration, fiber, and minerals in an easy-to-digest form. Add a few warming spices like turmeric, cumin, or a touch of cayenne to support circulation and digestion further. Even simple tweaks, like eating your largest meal at midday when digestion is strongest, can support colon health. For dinner, opt for cooked vegetables, lean proteins, and a small portion of starches like sweet potato or brown rice. Avoid eating too close to bedtime to allow your digestive system to fully rest overnight. Regular mealtimes also help. The gut thrives on rhythm. Skipping meals, grazing all day, or late-night snacking can confuse your natural digestive rhythm. Instead, aim for 3 consistent meals, spaced evenly. That way, your colon can work in harmony with your stomach, pancreas, liver, and small intestine, supporting the full length of your digestive system. Hydration continues to play a leading role. Remember, mature bodies often don't register thirst as strongly, so it's a good practice to drink water regularly, even when you're not feeling thirsty. Small sips throughout the day, especially between meals, support the natural softening of stool, aid in nutrient delivery, and reduce the risk of bloating or indigestion. Room temperature or slightly warm water is gentler on the digestive tract than ice-cold beverages, which can cause constriction and reduce motility. Include fermented foods in your weekly menu as well. Kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, or kombucha can help maintain the balance of beneficial bacteria that play a crucial role in immune defense and nutrient absorption. These friendly microbes break down hard-to-digest compounds, reduce gas and bloating, and protect the lining of the gut from irritants. Just a few tablespoons a day of one or more fermented items can go a long way. Movement also supports colon health. You don't have to run marathons. Gentle walking after meals helps stimulate intestinal activity. A simple routine like 10 minutes of walking after each meal can drastically reduce post-meal bloating and keep things moving naturally. Yoga, stretching, or light household activity also keeps the core muscles engaged, supporting the colon's natural motility. Let's not forget about rest. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is essential for digestion. During sleep, your body repairs and resets. Many people find that after a colon cleanse, their sleep improves, and that maintaining healthy digestion with the routines mentioned above further deepens their rest. Try winding down with a calming tea like fennel, chamomile, or peppermint. These herbs soothe the gut, ease gas, and promote full-body relaxation. For those looking to include herbal support in their daily lives, here are a few suggestions, always introduced gradually and used thoughtfully. Fennel seeds after meals help ease gas and reduce bloating. Simply chew a small pinch or steep into tea. Licorice root tea soothes inflammation and supports the mucosal lining of the intestines. Slippery elm and marshmallow root provide natural mucilage to coat the digestive tract and protect against irritation. Carob powder, mentioned earlier, is a natural source of fiber and can even help regulate blood sugar while supporting regular elimination. If you experience emotional or mental changes, like mood swings, forgetfulness, or low motivation, remember that the colon plays a role here too. The gut-brain connection is real. A healthy, well-functioning colon contributes to clearer thinking, better memory, and emotional balance. People often report feeling less anxious and more focused once they get their digestion under control. As you continue this wellness path, be gentle with yourself. Aging is not a decline. It's a transition into deeper awareness, and your body still responds beautifully to care, nourishment, and rhythm. You're not aiming for perfection, just progress. Even if you follow just one or two of these suggestions, you're moving toward more freedom, more comfort, and better resilience. Remember to observe your body's signals. Track your energy levels, digestion patterns, and even mood. Consider keeping a simple wellness journal to record what works best for you. This way, you can adjust as needed, adding more hydration, shifting meal timing, trying a different herbal tea, or returning to your preferred cleansing tonic once or twice a week. Many older adults who adopt these approaches report that after just a few weeks, they feel not only more physically comfortable, but also more confident and optimistic about their health. One woman described it as like giving my entire body a deep breath. It finally felt calm again. Another gentleman said he used to dread meals, but now eats with joy and digests without discomfort. So wherever you are right now in your wellness journey, know that change is not only possible, it's within reach. These aren't dramatic interventions. They're everyday sustainable practices that allow your body to do what it was designed to do: cleanse, restore, and thrive. Start small. Be consistent, and give yourself credit every step of the way.